Welcome to the Hall Coefficient Interactive Calculator, which solves for 6 different Hall effect parameters in semiconductor analysis. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes via drop-down menu: Calculate Hall Coefficient, Calculate Carrier Concentration, Calculate Hall Voltage, Calculate Carrier Mobility, Calculate Electrical Conductivity, and Calculate Hall Angle. For this demo, I'll select Calculate Hall Coefficient. You'll also select your carrier type from the drop-down, either electrons for N-type or holes for P-type semiconductors. I'm choosing electrons. Now for the input fields. Enter your Hall voltage in volts. I'll use 2.5. Input your sample thickness in millimeters. I'm entering 0.5. Specify your current in milliamps. Let's use 10. Finally, enter your magnetic field strength in Tesla. I'll input 0.8. Click Calculate to process these values. The calculator instantly computes your Hall coefficient, which characterizes the Hall effect strength in your semiconductor material. This coefficient tells you about the carrier density and type in your sample, essential for semiconductor characterization and device design. The negative or positive sign indicates whether you have electron or hole conduction. Find the link in the description below.